This is a retake of the elevator at the Metrotown Medical and Dental Center in Burnaby, British Columbia. This is a VEM limited hydraulic elevator. Lock right there. That's not correct. Address right there. There's your US 90 fixtures. There's a phone with a knife there.